Well, you know what they say. First time for everything. Some of you, probably not a lot, won't know what this is. And I'm hoping it's not used. Pretty sure it's new. I hope. Because what this little broom and this little rod that's 10 foot long is used for, yeah, dead people. Crematory, to be exact. Oh, the things I get myself into. They called and they were kind of in a jam. I guess they can't sweep up their dead people after they cremate them. I guess theirs broke and they got a new one, but this was on here. So I took that off and I'm just gonna thread it on and weld it just so it doesn't come off. I'm not exactly sure why they didn't just thread it on, but I'm guessing they just maybe didn't want it to come loose, get mixed up with all the ashes. I was kind of wondering, I'm like, huh, if there's ashes on there, they're gonna get like all over my table and I'm gonna have ghosts and stuff in here. We just need to get this done and get it out. Anyway, so we're gonna thread this bad boy on here. Actually, let's do this. That's galvanized. Let me tap that with a grinding wheel here, a flap wheel, and just tap it. I'm not gonna weld it solid. I'm just gonna buzz a little bit on each side. Sweeping up dead people can't be that hard on it. Actually, I'll probably have to do that after I get it on here. So let's just... I got the vice grip pliers on there because I can't hold it in order to tighten it all the way up. So that's good there. We'll just buzz a little bit on the side. Right there. And right there, and then let's see if we can buzz her up. Maybe it won't fall. Ready to sweep them up. I don't think I've got any cold galvanized, but we shall see. Nope. Oh, yes I do. One thing I don't like about this crap, it's good stuff. Anything Rust-Oleum is expensive, but it doesn't match. So it'll have like a dull finish. It's kind of annoying. Alrighty. Ready to clean up Billy Bob, Sally Mae. Basically, it's I've never seen one other than like a picture or video. But basically it's just a long chamber, and they have a door on the end, and they slide the person in, the deceased or whatever, and they have these big blowers. I think they run on like natural gas, propane, something like that, and they have these big blowers that heat up and just burn it all in, and then they basically sweep all the ashes up and burn it and sweep them all out and put them in the little box so you can put them on your mantle. So that's it. Had to do that real quick. They're in a rush, coming to get it. Good to go.